In this video, I'll show you the 3 different fuse box locations on your Honda Accord 98 to 2002. So there's 3 of them. First of all, let's go on the passenger side, and you won't need any tool for this. On the end of the dash, once you open the door, you're gonna find this panel. Stick your fingers here and pull. This is held by clips. On this side of the panel itself, you're gonna have a diagram telling you which fuse are located over here. And if we take a look inside, yeah, that's the first fuse box. It's a bit hard to have access to this one, so I'll put links in the description towards some pliers for fuses that are long enough so you can reach inside of the dash right there if you have troubles. Now the second fuse box location is on the same place but on the driver's side. We are on the driver's side. Same thing, stick your fingers, pull. This panel comes off. And here are other fuses. This has an reversed L shape. Now for the third location, we need to pop the hood. If we look over there on the top left corner, this is where the other fuse box is located. You need to remove this cap simply by unclipping these 2 clips. You have the diagram printed here, but since this is dirty, you don't see it well. You'll have to clean it. And here is your third fuse box. So this is about it. You have 3 of them. Please leave a like, but also comment down below if you have any questions, anything, and yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.